There are two options for manually adjusting or entering grades in the course's gradebook. Both are covered in the following video demonstration. On the course page, click the Grades button in the navigation drawer on the left side of the screen. To make changes to the grader report, click the Turn Editing On button in the top right corner of the page. The page will refresh and display editable fields for entering or changing each student's score for any graded activity. Locate the grade you want to enter or change by scrolling vertically to locate the desired student's name. Then scroll horizontally to display the desired activity. Both the student name column and the activity name row remain fixed, so you always see the naming when scrolling to locate an individual grade. You may also click the letters to the right of first name or surname at the top of the grader report to help you narrow your scope. To edit or enter a grade, click in the Grade field for the desired student and activity, and type in the desired score. When you are satisfied with your entries or changes, scroll to the bottom of the grader report if necessary, and click Save Changes. Your changes will be saved to the gradebook. Finally, click the Turn Editing Off button to close editing mode. Alternatively, you may click on the Single View tab on the Grades page and use the drop-down for Select Grade Item or Select User to jump to a specific activity or student, respectively. Click the checkbox to the right of the student's or activity's name under the Override column. This will unlock the field under the Grade column, where you may now enter in a score of your choosing. Continue to make any additional changes as needed, and then click the Save button to apply your changes. You may also choose to automatically assign a score to all students or activities on the page by scrolling down and checking the Perform Bulk Insert checkbox. Use the For drop-down menu to choose whether the change should apply to empty grades only or all grades. Enter the desired score in the Insert Value field, and then click the Save button to apply your entry to the applicable students or activities on the page.